Let us now study preparation of phenols. We are going to study 4 different methods from which phenol can be obtained. That is from cumene, from diazonium salts, benzene sulfonic acid and from haloarenes. Let us start with haloarenes. We have taken example of chlorobenzene. Chlorobenzene on reacting with sodium hydroxide at 623 kelvins and 300 atmospheric pressure gives you sodium phenoxide. This sodium phenoxide on reaction with the acid gives you phenol. That is, here hydrogen comes up and sodium reacts with chlorine to give you sodium chloride. So this is the first reaction, that is obtaining phenol from a haloarene. Let's go for the second method, that is obtaining from benzene sulfonic acid. First of all, let us learn how to obtain benzene sulfonic acid. This is a benzene ring with SO3H group, that is a sulfonic acid group attached to it. To obtain this, we have to react benzene with oleum, which has a formula H2S2O7. It's nothing but concentrated sulfuric acid H2SO4 with the fumes of sulfur trioxide, that is SO3. If you combine this, what you obtain is H2S2O7. This goes to give you benzene sulfonic acid. Benzene sulfonic acid further reacts with sodium hydroxide to first give you sodium phenoxide, and then it is treated with the acid to give you phenol. So this is the second method used in the preparation of phenol. Let us learn the third method, and that is from diazonium salts. How to obtain diazonium salt? From aniline. This is aniline which undergoes diazotization. How to carry out diazotization? React aniline with sodium nitrite in presence of hydrochloric acid. This gives you benzene diazonium chloride, which is then warmed with water to give you phenol. Nitrogen gas is released and hydrogen chloride is obtained as a byproduct in this reaction. Take up with the last method here, and that is obtaining phenol from cumene. This is the formula of the compound. You have isopropyl benzene. So this is the one which you have. It's also called as cumene. Cumene undergoes oxidation to give you cumene hydroperoxide. So look at it, how the linkage takes place. You have CH and you have now COOH. This undergoes a reaction with a dilute acid giving you phenol, and the byproduct which is formed over here is basically a combination of this. So this is CH3C double bond O CH3. That is acetone or propanone obtained as a byproduct in the reaction. So here we have 4 different methods which we have learned in the preparation of phenols from haloarene, from sulfonic acid, that is benzene sulfonic acid, from diazonium salts and from cumene.